Welcome to GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail, Southwest in Calgary, Alberta. Today we're going to look at this beautiful brand new 2020 GMC Terrain SLT, powered by the 2-liter 4-cylinder charged 4-cylinder engine, made it up to a 9-speed automatic transmission, as well as this SUV is 4-wheel drive or all-wheel drive. Once inside on the interior of the SLT Terrain, we do have the power windows, we do have power mirrors, memory seating, power locks. Right down here we do have our dial for our powered tailgate as well. Leather wrapped heated steering wheel. We do have cruise control and forward collision warning on there. Only 17 kilometers on the odometer, as this is a brand new vehicle. Push button ignition, 8-inch touchscreen. We do have navigation, Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in there. Taking a quick look down, we got our climate controls. That's our driving select modes. We do have heated seats, lane keep assist. We have our 4x4 all-wheel drive button there as well. Vehicle is equipped with the trailer mode as well. Jet black interior with the gold stitching. Bose speakers. Beautiful leather with the gold stitching. Heated seats. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the Terrain, we do have the 19-inch wheel and tire package, all black rims there. Hankook all-season tires. Color matched door handles and mirror caps with keyless entry and remote start. Blacked out window trim as well as the roof rails up top. You can see the SLT badging blacked out. Coming to the rear, we got LED tail lamps, dual chrome exhaust tips, blacked out Terrain all-wheel drive badging, as well as the trailer hitch you can see there, ready to go if you need a small utility trailer. Jumping back into the interior here, we do have the leather 60/40 split. Both end seats are car seat ready. Easy fold down as well, completely flat with your back there. We do have dual USB charging ports, and we have 120 volt outlet down there at the bottom. Over top, moon and sunroof opening up the whole cab of the vehicle. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video of this beautiful brand new 2020 GMC Terrain SLT. If this is your next 5-passenger all-wheel drive SUV from GM, come and see us here at GSL GM City, 1720 Boat Trail Southwest, or shop online at gslgmcity.com.